Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can tag people into your TikTok videos. Now there are several ways that you can do this and I'm going to show you all of them, but first let us record a short video. Alright, once that is over, as you can see on the right side of your screen, we have a lot of icons right here, but we want to just focus on the stickers icon. Tap on that. And here we have the mention sticker. Choose that. And then we can just basically type the username of whoever friend that we want to tag. For example, Churchy. That is my dear friend Chelsea. So I could just do that. Or another way is to just look for them here. So for example, I want to tag my dear friend Naya. And that's it. This would allow other TikTok users or those who view your video to also see the usernames of those you tagged. But if you don't want to do it this way, then there is an older version that I'm going to show you, and this is how you do it. So let's tap on next. Here you can tap on @mention and just choose the friend that you want to tag. For example, here. There you have it. You can also tag people through tapping on the tag people words here. And here you can tag as many friends as you'd like and tap on done. And this would allow them to know that you've tagged them into your videos and they'd be able to immediately see your videos. There you have it. I hope this helped. Thank you very much for watching and we will see you in the next video.